Hi, welcome. Let's make today some healthy appetizer deviled egg with avocados. This is very healthy and easy snacks. So all you need is 6 or 5, whatever you prefer, boiled egg and one full avocado. We're gonna cut it into half, and then you're also gonna need some salt. You will need some mayo, pepper, and also you need some chicken bouillon or some salt, okay, and a little bit of paprika. So the paprika are optional. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut the avocado into half. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and also the notification button. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So let's go ahead and start smashing our avocado. You want to make sure it's all smooth and softer. This is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of mayo, a little bit of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just using my hand kind of to measure it, and also half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon or Maggi. Okay, just a little bit. You don't want to add too much, it's going to be a little bit too salty. And then a little bit of paprika, just half a spoon. So I'm just measuring the back of my tablespoon of measuring. Now let's go ahead and start cutting the egg into half. We want to get the yolk out and start adding it into our avocado and seasoning. Let's go ahead and now smash with the back of the tablespoon. Kind of mix it up. You want to get all the seasoning mixed, incorporated really well. Now I'm trying to get all those lumps out of it, so I'm trying to smash because I'm gonna be using a piping bag to pipe the this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and start putting it into our piping, and let's pipe this deviled egg. Okay, this is so delicious, and if you end up trying making this, let me know how it is. Piping is just optional. If you don't have the piping bag, you can just use your spoon and, you know, just like how normal people do. So if you want to decorate it, then, you know, you definitely need to use a piping bag. Let's go ahead and now sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. And it is done. So this is what the deviled egg with avocado looks like. Isn't it this beautiful? So ready to eat this. Okay, you have to